Do you know that you can make money online just by helping artificial intelligence learn? You don't need a degree, special skills, or even prior experience. All it takes is a computer, an internet connection, and a bit of your time. AI is everywhere, from chatbots to self-driving cars. But what most people don't realize is that AI needs human input to improve. That's where you come in. Many companies are paying people around the world to train AI by completing simple tasks like labeling images, analyzing text, and verifying data. These platforms work with contractors globally, paying based on the number of tasks completed. And as AI continues to expand, the demand for this type of work is only growing. In this video, we'll explore one of these platforms where anyone at any career level can start earning. Whether you're a student looking for extra cash, an entry-level worker just starting out, or a freelancer wanting to supplement your income, there are opportunities available for everyone. One of the biggest advantages of this platform is flexibility. You get to choose which projects you work on and when, allowing you to fit it into your schedule without any long-term commitments. And when it comes to pay, the platform prides itself on competitive compensation. Pay rates are determined based on economic factors, your skill set, and your preferred rates, with annual reviews to ensure fair earnings. Beyond just making money, this platform also provides ongoing skill development. You'll have access to training and testing that can improve your expertise, and the more you engage, the more opportunities you unlock. So, what kind of jobs can you do? Here are some of the main roles available. Online rater. Provide feedback and assessments on text, audio, image, or video data to improve AI applications. Data collector. Gather or create text, images, audio, or video content to help train AI models used in chatbots, security systems, and search engines. Data annotator. Label or tag data using specialized tools to help refine AI and machine learning models. Search engine evaluator. Analyze search results for accuracy and relevance, helping improve search engines and social media platforms. Ad evaluator. Review and rate online ads to ensure they align with search terms and user intent. Project-specific opportunities. Work on specialized AI projects that require high-quality data preparation. Now, what is this platform? It's called Train AI, and it's run by RWS, a trusted global company specializing in AI training, data services, and translation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more ways to make money online.